Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is John Campo. I've been a graphic designer in New York City for the past 6 years, and I'm here to give you a little bit of insight into my design process. So in this video, I'm just going to go through the process of me making a menu. This menu actually goes with the logo that I made in the last video, so if you watch that, get ready for part 2. If you haven't watched it, you should go back and check it out, so you can see how I make the logo. Now you're going to see how I make the menu. And then actually, in the next video, I'm going to show you how we make the website design. And so you'll have a nice, perfect tutorial to do a whole setup for any company you want to work for, or just for a personal project, or just to see what I do, or what designers do. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and time-lapse coming now.